Welcome to our Statistics and Probability series. Today, we are diving into Chebyshev's theorem. This is a fundamental concept that helps us understand the spread of data in any distribution, specifically focusing on the minimum percentage of data that falls within a certain number of standard deviations from the mean. So, what exactly is this theorem? In simple terms, it is a statistical rule that gives us a mathematical guarantee. It tells us that for any dataset, no matter how weird or irregular it looks, a certain minimum proportion of the data must exist within a specific distance from the average. The most powerful part of this theorem is that, unlike the empirical rule which only works for perfect bell curves, Chebyshev's theorem works for absolutely any shape, skewed, flat, or bimodal. Here is the magic formula, 1 minus 1 divided by k squared. In this equation, k represents the number of standard deviations from the mean. The result of this calculation gives us the minimum probability or percentage of data that lies within that range. It is important to note that k must be a number greater than 1 for this to make sense. Let's plug in some numbers to see how it works. Suppose we want to look at the range of 2 standard deviations from the mean. So, we set k equal to 2. The formula becomes 1 minus 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 minus 1/4. That equals 0.75. This means that for any distribution, at least 75% of the data values will fall within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Now, let's widen our net and look at 3 standard deviations. We set k equal to 3. The calculation becomes 1 minus 1 over 3 squared, or 1 minus 1/9. This equals roughly 0.889. So, we can confidently say that at least 88.89% of our data falls within 3 standard deviations from the mean. Here is a quick reference table for common values of k as we just saw. For k equals 2, we have 75%. For k equals 3, it's nearly 89%. If we go out to 4 standard deviations, the guarantee rises to 93.75%. And by 10 standard deviations, 99% of all data must be included. Again, remember that these are minimum floors. The actual percentage in your specific data could be higher. It is helpful to compare this with the normal distribution or the empirical rule. The empirical rule is very precise. It tells us about 68% of data is within 1 standard deviation, and 95% is within 2. However, it only works for bell-shaped curves. Chebyshev's theorem is less precise. It tells us nothing useful for 1 standard deviation and only guarantees 75% for 2. But its strength is its versatility. It works for chaos, irregular shapes, and completely unknown distributions where the empirical rule fails. Let's apply this to a real-world scenario. Imagine a factory produces items with an average weight of 500 grams and a standard deviation of 5 grams. We want to know what percentage of products weigh between 490 and 510 grams. First, we see the difference from the mean is 10 grams. Since the standard deviation is 5 grams, 10 grams represents exactly 2 standard deviations. Using our theorem with k equals 2, we know that at least 75% of the products will fall in this weight range. Before we finish, keep 2 limitations in mind. First, k must be greater than 1. If you try to use 1, the result is 0, which isn't helpful. Second, remember that this theorem provides a weak lower bound. It is a conservative estimate designed to be always true, regardless of the data shape. For specific, known distributions like the normal distribution, you would use more precise tools. To wrap up, Chebyshev's theorem is a universal tool for any data distribution. The formula is 1 minus 1 over k squared. It guarantees that at least 75% of data is within 2 standard deviations, and roughly 89% is within 3. It is your go-to rule when you don't know the shape of your data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.